So I was happily sewing, and as you can see, the fabric got stuck. So when that happens, the machine automatically locks itself and it gives you this message: the safety device has been activated. Okay, let's see what we can do to fix it. Let's see. I close. The menu goes, that warning goes away, but your needle is stuck in the fabric. It doesn't go away. Unfortunately, it does not work like that. So what I'm going to do is lift the foot with this, bring it up, brings the foot up, but it does not bring the needle up. So what I'm going to do is take the foot off by pushing the black book down in the back. As you can see, it comes off. Take it off. Needle is still stuck because there's fabric is stuck under the present foot. Right there, you see the fabric is stuck. Can't do anything. So what I'm going to do is take off the plate. This plate has to come off in order to be able to get the fabric out of there. So with my toolkit, I know I will find the little tool. As you can see, they give you different things, but I'm going to use this one to undo the screws over here. Take them off. Okay, the other screw is out. Now we proceed to remove the plate. Those are the two main screws holding this plate, so it's easier to take it out. The metal and the plastic come off, but oops, and I'm also going to take this out because I don't need it there right now. Cut. And let's see where the problem is. Okay, once the screws are out, what I'm going to do is take the front piece. This comes apart, and after you have that out, this plastic plate you pull towards you. As you can see, it slides out and it comes off. As you can see closer to where the problem is, as you can see, some of the thread is tangled in there, and that shouldn't be there. And take out the metal plate if it lets you. As if you wiggle it, it moves, and this came off. So that's a good sign. Oh, that's where my fabric got stuck. So before you take this out, make sure you remember the position it's on. You see the little arrow here? Make sure it's pointing towards the right when you put it back. So remember how it's positioned, because to put it back sometimes can be a little bit confusing. So it comes out very easily. And we untangle. So let's get this out of here. And the needle is still down there, so we are going to need to move the plate and see if the needle will come off now that the fabric is not stuck where it was before. So let's see if bringing the needle up works. Let's see if it lets me do it. Okay, seems like that's a good sign. It's up, needle is up, yay! That's what we were looking for. So now that the needle is up, we can get the fabric out of the mess. As you can see, it's all tangled. It came up very easily. That's good. So cut. When you have to take this apart, what I like to do is to use this as a good time for cleaning all the lint that it's accumulated in the machine, And if you have a special tool or a brush, like the one that comes with the toolkit, you can take this out. You don't want all that building in your in the inside of the machine. So make sure you take out all the lint. I have, well, it's not me, my husband has this. This is gas duster. Shake it a little bit. Do not lean the bottle too much because liquid can come out and you don't want that there. So if you have one of those, use it. That is looking so much better than before. Okay, let's put the plate back. You set it in there. Almost will slide in there on its own. Just make sure this goes in this under, goes under, as you can see, goes under. Make sure it's under. This goes in there. Remember we talked about the little arrow pointing towards the right? It almost goes in there on its by itself. You see that? As long as it does this, that means it's in the right place. So it's in there without problems. Bring the plastic cover. As you can see, it's not very difficult at all. These little parts matches these, and this goes in there, and you slide it in there. These little parts are sticking out. They have to go under this, the plastic. So you push it in there. Make sure it's under, but you need your two hands. So let's see. Push in. As you can see, it's in there. That's how it should be. All even. And you put the screws back in there. They give you this little tool that is good, but on this side it's too big, so no, you don't have too much control. So what I like to use is a penny. They should invent automatic screws. How fun would that be? Okay, it's all the way in there. Put your thread back in there. Always make sure it's in the right position. And we're missing this. Put it back in there, the right position. And now that I know my machine is all nice and clean inside, I'll go back to I like to always keep my foot inside of there so I don't misplace them. And here it is. Bring this back down. As you can see, the thread stayed there, so I don't have to do anything. Bring the foot up. Let's make a little test. It's working again.